Hi there everybody, this is Alshehaby. Today we are gonna continue with our changing colors tutorials in Photoshop. Today we are gonna turn any white color into any other color we want. So let's get going. I'm gonna open my program and select my image for today. In our previous tutorial we learned how to change any color to any other color we wanted. We've used a new adjustment layer, hue and saturation. But we also mentioned that this method doesn't work very well with whites. If you haven't watched that tutorial yet, just click on the link that appears on the top of the screen. I'm gonna quickly try the hue and saturation method with this white shirt. I'm gonna get a color tone from the white shirt, and as you can see it still says blue right here instead of white. The program here actually does not read the white color. No matter how hard I try with those levels, it still doesn't work. So what we need to do today is first to select this white color. I'm gonna go with the quick selection tool as I have a good contrast with the background. However, you can go with the lasso or magic wand tool or even pen tool. I'm gonna start my selection. You can always come back and define your selection from the mask. I will give it a very small feather like 0.5%. You can find the feather option in the select drop menu. And now what you need to do is to create a new solid color layer. Here choose a bright color. From the blending mode here, instead of normal, just go with multiply. And what the multiply option does in here is actually darkening the white color with your chosen color. Now to add some realism to it, create a new curves layer. But before I start, I need to group those two layers, the mask and the curves layer. This way I would apply my curves only once, otherwise I would have to go back and do the same work with the mask layer later on. So select both layers and press on Ctrl G from your keyboard. Now select this hand tool and start to move down on the share to darken it or up to whiten it. If you feel like the color is too harsh, just double click on the solid color layer here and soften it a little bit. Now you see that the mask needs some adjustment. Select your brush tool and make sure you have white color in the foreground color and start fixing your mask. I will go over it slowly to soften the edges a little bit. Now as we're done, you can double click on the solid color layer in here and you can start changing your color as you wish. Or if you rather, you can go with the previous method and create a new huge saturation layer, and from there you can choose your color as well. You can control the saturation and the brightness as you wish. Here is before and after. Note that you can always go back and create a new curves layer to lighten or darken your color. I will darken this red some more. This same method applies for black color as well. Just select the black color and follow the same method. That was it for our tutorial today. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned and have a great day. Bye bye.